Welcome to the Office of Student Services Media Library, brought to you by your host, Mr. Pulliam.
Hey there, Bearcats. Welcome back to another video from the Office of Student Services Media Library. I just want to take a quick moment here to walk you guys through how to find the career cluster inventory on Ohio Means Jobs. So the first thing you're going to do is you're going to go to ohiomeansjobs.ohio.gov. That will take you to this website here that we're currently at. When you get here, you need to go to My Profile. It will take you to a screen that looks like this. Now, if you already have a username and password, this is where you're putting your username and your password. If you don't, which most of you won't right now, go ahead and click New to Ohio Means Jobs and click Register here. Here you're going to use your email address, which I suggest using your school email address because that's the easiest to remember, and make a password. Now, when you do this, make sure you write this information down on your paper where it says Ohio Means Jobs usernames and Ohio Means Jobs password so that I can keep track of this for you in case you forget it. Then go ahead and fill out all of this information that's required. And then under here, you're going to put I'm not interested or eligible to receive unemployment benefits. You want to do, and then you also want to go down and put that you're a student. Okay, make sure you put that you're students because you're a student. Okay, and then that will make it look like this, and then you're going to go Paint Valley Middle School if you're in middle school, or you're going to go Paint Valley High School if you're in high school. Okay. Then just go ahead and fill all this information out. Then when you're done, you're going to click Create Account. Okay. So after you create an account, you're going to go back to the front page, and then you're going to make sure you're signed in. So you can go back to the profile, make sure you're signed in here. Okay. Once you're signed in, from the front page, I want you to go to Site Search. In this bar, I want you to look up Career Cluster Inventory. And it will find a number of options. I want you to go ahead and click this one that says Career Cluster Inventory, and it was published on Monday, October 26, 2020. So it will take you to a page that looks like this. Okay. It says Career Cluster Inventory at the top, and then it just explains what the Career Cluster Inventory is, which is you're answering some questions about things you like and dislike, and it's going to match you with career suggestions based on those interests. Then you're going to click Launch, take this quiz, and that will take you to the Career Cluster Inventory. Now, once you take the quiz, it shouldn't take very long. So once you take it, you're going to go ahead and record your results on the paper that you currently have in front of you. So I want you to make sure that you record your top 3 pathways, and then identify 3 occupations and careers that interest you from those pathways, which it lists all that in the cluster information after you take your test. And then write down what are the education and skill requirements for each occupation or career that you chose. Okay, so 1 goes with 1, 2 goes with 2, 3 goes with 3. So it's pretty straightforward. If you guys have any questions, your teachers should be able to help you. And make sure that once you get done with this, that you put your name on it so that I can make sure I know whose paper I have, because I'm going to record all this information for your graduation plan. So basically, the whole reason we're doing this is so that you have a wide-ranging list of career information, so that when it's time for you to be a senior and we have your senior meetings and your senior audits, you kind of have an idea of what you want to do moving forward. So thank you guys so much for this. I know that might not make much sense now why we're doing it, but I hope that in the future it kind of adds up together. So thank you and good luck.
Thank you for watching another digital lesson from the Office of Student Services Media Library. And don't forget, it's a great day to be a Paint Valley Bearcat.